Hi guys, this is Sigig35 Security. Today I will show you how to install Windows 10 LTSC x.64 on WinToUSB USB drive. Explain to install Windows 10 LTSC x.64 on Legacy MBR BIOS mode or GPT UEFI on USB drive. You need special tools WinToUSB to install Windows 10 on USB flash drive, same with Windows 11 Tiny 2. To do that you should follow my instruction. First let's connect USB flash drive on VM VirtualBox or PC. Here's the USB drive is 32 GB, for installing Windows 10 LTSC x.64. Right-click WinToUSB 9.2.0, then click Extract here. Go to WinToUSB 9.2.0 file. Right-click WinToUSB 9.2.0, then Run as administrator. Click Yes. Click OK. Click I accept the agreement. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Then click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Before running WinToUSB 9.2.0, you should unlock WinToUSB to Enterprise, with crack patch or serial number. Go to WinToUSB 9.2.0 file, then go to crack. Both the crack x.86.64-bit for C:\program files /hasleo /WinToUSB /bin, or C:\program files, x86 /hasleo /WinToUSB /bin, to install the crack or serial number. Go to x86. Go to Enterprise. This crack x.86 is only for 32-bit system, C:\program files, x86 /hasleo /WinToUSB /bin. To check the source install WinToUSB, right-click, then click Open File Location. The file program source is C:\program files /hasleo /WinToUSB /bin. Go back to crack files. Go to x64, right-click Patch Mr. SCZS, then click Extract here. To run the key, x64 Enterprise Patch on, C:\program files /hasleo /WinToUSB /bin. You should disable any kind of antivirus, but before you start disable antivirus, you should read the text, so you can know how to use the patch. Open the text. This serial key for WinToUSB Enterprise, so you can unlock the version WinToUSB free. Go to Show Hidden Icons. Click Icon Antivirus Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Your Settings. Turn off Real-Time Protection. It will be disable all threat and protect Windows security. Now let's run x64 Enterprise Patch to unlock WinToUSB. Right-click x64 Enterprise Patch, then Run as administrator. Click Yes. To use the patch to unlock the WinToUSB Enterprise, you should click Patch to direct source files x.64-bit. After done to unlock WinToUSB, click Exit, x64 Enterprise Patch. Now let's run WinToUSB. Right-click WinToUSB, then Run as administrator. Click Yes. Click Icon, and go to About. As you can see, WinToUSB is already unlocked to Enterprise, with machine code number 2, you have now already full version, WinToUSB Enterprise. Now to start install Windows 10 LTSC x.64-bit, on USB drive you should, go to Windows to go USB, for install or clone Windows USB drive portable. Click Select Installation Source, and choose Current Windows OS. Click Select Destination Drive, and choose your USB drive 29.32 GB. 1. Set MBR and UEFI as default boot. -2. Change Legacy to VHD to keep Windows 10 LTSC safe. Set virtual hard disk size 30 GB to 20 GB to save space USB drive. To check space, Windows 10 drive. Local disk Windows 10 10.9 GB, it will be cloned to 20 GB, and install Windows 10 LTSC the file system on VHD, USB flash drive, plus create BCD boot MBR and UEFI mode boot manager system. Click Proceed to start install. and clone Windows 10 LTSC x.64-bit on USB flash drive. It will take 2 hours to complete it. Install Windows 10 LTSC and clone the file system to VHD on USB flash drive. After done, clone and install Windows 10 LTSC, completed on USB drive successfully. You can check the USB drive with the file system. It's already take Windows 10 local disk to USB flash drive. EFI and MBR boot is already created on USB drive. iFiles boot mode EFI and MBR, same with USB drive J, Windows 10 LTSC x.64 WinToUSB. Now let's test Windows 10 LTSC x.64 USB drive on virtual machine USB boot.x64 with mode Legacy BIOS and GPT UEFI on USB flash drive. Run virtual machine USB boot.x64. Go to Edit. Make sure the USB drive is selected on Host I/O cache. Click OK. Click Manager. Go to System, make sure Enable EFI, Special OCs only. Click OK. Click Start to VirtualBox Machine, to boot up USB drive. As you can see, Windows 10 LTSC x.64 is booted up successfully on USB drive with EFI mode. Now let's test Windows 10 LTSC x.64 USB drive on virtual machine USB boot.x64 with Legacy MBR mode on USB flash drive. Click Manager. Go to System. Click on Check and Disable EFI, Special OCs only, to run only MBR mode. Click OK. Click Start to VirtualBox Machine, to boot up USB drive. As you can see, Windows 10 LTSC x.64 is booted up successfully on USB drive with MBR mode. Hopefully you enjoy the video. With the guide, it's now Windows 10 LTSC x.64 is running on USB flash drive. Already clone and install. Don't forget like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.